Okay, here we are, day 4. So I've managed to get through a couple of exercises yesterday. They were quite lengthy exercises because they were introducing completely new letters. So there was lots of the exercise which I was doing yesterday with the simple letters, and then it went on to more complicated ones. So now I'm up to exercise 12. Which looks kind of challenging. So we'll see how we're going. I'm finding I'm definitely getting a bit more fluid with the typing. I'm definitely getting more confident. I still have to concentrate quite a bit, but there are some keys that I'm just kind of like know where they are now, whereas I was struggling with that before. I'm still having some challenges with my little finger hitting the right keys here. And also the I, U and spacebar, this is quite challenging, so I'm often hitting U accidentally rather than space, or space instead of U, and a couple of times I've hit enter instead of I, so I'm definitely still getting used to that movement of my thumb between those three keys, but it is getting there, definitely getting there. So let's see how we go. Let's click into the box. Okay. Oh, I haven't used M for a while. That was a bit of a memory thing. It's like, I've done this before but I can't remember where it is. Oops. That's quite a challenging one actually. Some of those words are quite easy to type, but some of them it's quite a challenge because we haven't done M for a little while, so I couldn't remember where that one was. And then going from M and then up to G, yeah, it's quite a stretch, and I still find Q quite challenging. Oops, yeah, see, there you go, overstretching. Still learning that, the distance to stretch. Oops, and there again. I think that's one of the biggest things you have to learn. Okay, let's see how if we can do this one without any errors. Ah, damn it. Right at the end. I get too cocky, I'm like, yes, I've done it, and then I'm like, no, you haven't. Okay, so let's just try this last one. Not bad. So, I mean, I feel like I'm really making good progress with these, particularly with these new letters, which are much more complicated. And you can see that some of these phrases actually get quite challenging. And these are like hard to read, let alone type. So let's have a go at a typing test. Fairly short one today because it's Sunday. So um, yeah, so this is the same test that I did yesterday where I got 12. So who knows what I will get today. I think it's just really interesting, and it's so variable based on the words that you end up typing, like whether I know what those letters are and where they are on the keyboard and whether it's something that I've done in the training or not. So I sort of take it with a pinch of salt, but it's nice to have an objective measure. So right, let's go for it. W. 10. Yeah, not so good. Not so good. 9 words. Those are quite challenging letters, so I haven't actually done W yet. I don't think we've done P yet. So some of those were a bit challenging. But yes, I will keep practicing, keep learning, going through the tutorials, and we'll do another video tomorrow to let you know how I'm getting on.